I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by assembling quality pairs so your model learns grounded mappings. Gather 5K to 50K examples and balance subjects. Next, install and configure your framework. PyTorch if you want broad community support. Then provision a GPU with at least 16 GB. Once done, prepare a tokenizer for captions and image transforms to a consistent resolution. This stabilizes training. Make sure to set a reproducible seed and version your data. These first steps put you in a position to train reliably and iterate fast. You now build the core. Pick diffusion for quality or a transformer encoder-decoder for direct text conditioning. Each choice affects sample fidelity and compute. Pre-train the visual backbone on large image data or load pre-trained weights to speed convergence. Then implement conditioning, embed text, add cross-attention layers, and enable classifier-free guidance so you can trade creativity versus fidelity. During this phase, schedule learning rates, gradient clipping, mixed precision, and checkpoint every epoch. These details prevent collapse and let you resume. You finish by fine-tuning on your target dataset, monitoring FID, clip similarity, and diversity to guide hyperparameter tweaks. Once validation is stable, optimize inference with half precision, tune sampler steps, and craft prompt patterns that produce consistent outputs. Deploy the model behind an API or integrate into an app, and make sure to collect user feedback. If outputs degrade, check data drift, overfitting, or tokenizer mismatches. Retrain on a balanced sample or increase regularization to resolve common failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.